it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Game here with another reaction. Move! Today we are with Skeng, yeah man, Ratty Gang General, with King Kong. It's an official music video. This dropped a couple days ago, but I was too busy promoting my own project. For those guys who don't know, I drop a project, I drop a juggling, a rhythm. So I've been promoting that. So you can find that pin at the end of this, or I'm gonna pin the playlist in the description of this video. So go and check out the playlist and tell me what you think about the rhythm and who take the rhythm for you. Alright? So I'm gonna jump in the one and you ready, Ratty Gang General. I said, man, let's go. Let's get it. Are you me come for?
This will teach you.
That's from the movie Dancer Queen. Definitely. Classic movie.
This will teach you.
Not to fuck with me.
Go easy, me take great life. Your cheap pints are call me long time. Your sting on my devil waste time. Could a 100 mile, me need them back fly. Your mama pray can't save your life. Me a work up a G2 in the 8 side. Bright the bright, poor badness light. If you know see people made a night. Couple man a drop, hand up on a knock. In the rap shop, hand up on a hop knock. Everybody lock, chat, pull out on a rock.
Binds in your blood clot. Binds.
First gamer, gun papa, slide on the night chamber. Get
Ratty Gang General.
With Ras.
Lord Clad. Top Ski Music, make up yourself.
This will teach you.
Or the production team. Can't be like the production team them. Ink Drop Studio, make up yourself.
This
Yeah, man, I like the production team them credit. Darkness, man.
Go easy, me take great life.
Easy.
Cheap pints are call me long time.
Gone.
Your sting on my devil waste time. Could a 100 mile, me need them back fly. Your mama pray can't save your life. Me a work up a G2 in the 8 side. Bright the bright, poor badness light. If you know see people made a night. Couple man a drop, hand up on a knock. In the rap shop, hand up on a hop knock. Everybody lock, chat, pull out no back. The first man make a move, get a headshot. Him a do my face to do all you with it bad. Because you can't hear up my head. Mask squeeze it, pan a hop, nigga instant, no pan a hop knock. Everybody lock, chat, pull out no back. The first man make a move, get a headshot. Him a do my face to do all you with it bad. Because you can't hear up my head. Mask squeeze it, pan a hop, nigga instant. Beat my chest like me a King Kong. Senseless. With Ras.
Skeng!
This
What the fuck me a dog? I want fuck with the G-head right now. Yeah, they love the money head in the dog. The money head chip out in the brother.
Go easy, me take great life.
Easy.
Cheap pints are call me long time. Your sting on my devil waste time. Could a 100 mile, me need them back fly. Your mama pray can't save your life. Me a work up a G2 in the 8 side. Bright the bright, poor badness light. If you know see people made a night. Couple man a drop, hand up on a knock. In the rap shop, hand up on a hop.
Yo, you see every type of strap in this in the dog. Tall strap, short strap, maga strap, fat strap, strap with banana clip, strap with platinum clip, strap with yo, alright, let's go.
Made a night, couple man a drop, hand up on a knock. In the rap shop, hand up on a hop knock. Everybody lock, chat, pull out no back. The first man.
Yeah, the one on the lock shot, brother, on the back to back up, brother. I want your first man put a foot slam, shut a slam in my head.
Come in a furry.
Rap shop, hand up on a hop knock. Everybody lock, chat, pull out no back. The first man make a move, get a headshot. Him a turn the face to do all you with it bad. Because you can't hear out of my head. Man, squeeze it, pan a hop, nigga instant. Beat my chest like me a King Kong.
Yeah, me do it. Beat my chest and make them know me bumbuckler deal with it. King Kong style. Vineses.
This is squeezed it pan up, nigga instant. Beat my chest like me a King Kong. Senseless. If I hide them, I said the word, I'm bring it to hell.
Yo, big up the editor for this.
Badness been a gone, still a gone, and a gone, I'm gone. If I hide them, want me a laugh and a plant up a gun. How bad from my band till I life up low and I laugh. Headshot, I do a leg chop. Them in a party, me mash up them section. All of them are it.
Yo, if them in a, yeah, man say, yo, party them in a, we a mash up them section. If a VIP on the inner, we have to go call CID. Yes. We have to go call police or FBI or something. We are going to mash up on the section. We have to mash up on the section. Rip you up.
Headshot, I do a leg chop. Them in a party, me mash up
Jump on
them
the section.
section. All of them are it, chop. Name a mention. Orchestrate the crime, me pre-mix that. At the gang bad, for real, we met that. Line them up on the scope, and most head back. Spartan attack, we lead the action pack. More than a bad.
Spartan attack in the action pack. So, I'ma give credit to Sparta gang. Tommy, you know, say, him and Tommy Lee Sparta link close like that. So, big up the G them.
Just straight the crime, my pre-mix that. At the gang bad, for real, we met that. Line them up on the scope, and most head back. Spartan attack, we lead the action pack. More than a bad like my dog, Rusty Chop Chop.
They're not bad like us to chop chop.
Badness been a gone, still a gone, and a gone, I'm gone.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
If I heard them words of the word, I'm bring it hell. Badness been a gone, still a gone, and I'm bring it hell.
Hold on. Officer, a prop gun. Officer, a prop gun. Officer, a prop. Yeah, a prop the G have. Yes. Viewers discretion advised is propped. Alright?
Gone and I'm gone. If I heard them want me a laugh and a plant up a gun. How bad from my band till I life up low. This couple man a drop, hand up on a knock. In the rap shop, hand up on a hot block. Everybody lock chat, boy I wanna back. The first man make a move, get a headshot. Him not on the face to do all you with it bad. Because you gone here, come head mask. Squeeze it pan up, nigga instant. Beat my chest like me a King Kong. Senseless. Said the word, I'm bring it to hell.
But why no one said the word, I'm bring it down, come on the yard. Special delivery. Uber Eats. Bring it on the yard, come deliver. Further on in the news.
If I heard him, said the word, I'm
bring it to the yard.
Badness been a gone, still a gone, and a gone, I'm gone. If I heard him, want me a laugh and a plant up a gun. But from the band till I life up low and I laugh. If I learn to the world, but miss when the band still a gone.
Coming up, hurry.
Bumbleclad. Yo, big up the G them dog. Big up the G them dog. Big up the Bumbleclad G them brother. We are do it. Big up Ratty Gang. Skeng, big up yourself, me G. One of the sickest performer out here so from the new school. Big up yourself, G. Ink Drops Production. Big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself. Yes, Ratty Gang. Grimy outside. No pussy run up. I bring it. I run up if you want, but we bring the beef. Come on the yard, brother. Come on the yard, brother. Deliver that like a blood clot delivery, man.
Coming up, hurry.
Yeah, let me know what you guys think about this one, though. Like I said, I've been working on my project. I'm going to link it in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think about my rhythm that I dropped with the artist in it. Yeah, until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf, we the baddest. And it's a rip connect.